There's going to be a number of reasons why you would want a particular class. And so most of the people I talked to who were doing IBD, a lot of them, yes, it was very true that the cultural experience and getting to go in country and kind of being sponsored was a driving factor. But I don't think I talked to anyone for whom that was the only factor to do IBD. A lot of other people were motivated by the opportunity to work with classmates, the opportunity to work on a real business problem, that hands-on learning experience, which is a bit different than some of our core programming. And I know a lot of the leads were looking at their leadership development skills and flexing new muscles. I had several members of my team who knew they were going into consulting at that point in time, who wanted that deeper kind of consulting structure and exposure. So when you're thinking about picking the class, it was helpful, I think, for my team too, to understand when that travel piece was taken away, what are the foundations for why else you wanted from the class and what else could you take from it. And I think for my team, a big part was relationships, just getting to know more people outside of their normal, what they're involved in at Haas. And I picked my team that way, so there was already that piece there. And there were several members on my team who wanted just the pure consulting experience, so letting them run the workshop, which is very much plan, run, deliver, all of that through the workshop, which is very much a senior consultant skill set. And also identifying opportunities to say, for example, I had a former consultant on the team who was really focused on her startup, but was still really wanting to be part of the group, and trying to find opportunities that she could plug herself in that would still be relevant to her work on her startup and be a positive learning experience. So she actually took a lot of the data analytics work and got exposure to new tools that would then be relevant for her to leverage when she's doing presentations and pitches and stuff like that. And it kept the team really engaged.